How to connect different payment methods to System.io. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect different payments method to System.io. It's super simple, so let's get started. You need to head over to your browser. Now in the search bar, you need to go ahead and type Systeme.io, and this will take you to the official Systeme website. Now that you are here, you need to simply go ahead and click on your profile icon located in the top right corner of your screen, and from here you need to go ahead and click on settings. Now that you're in the settings, you need to simply go ahead and click on payment gateways option, and from here you can see the several options. You can either connect Stripe, PayPal or any other options over here. If you want to connect PayPal, you need to simply go ahead and click on connect options over here. Then you need to simply go ahead and enter username, password and signature of your PayPal account. Once you are done that, you need to simply go ahead and click on save, and your PayPal will be connected to your Systeme.ai account. And that's it. I hope now you know how you can connect payment methods to Systeme.ai. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.